So this is my full outfit of the day. I'm wearing my favorite gold glasses. I've tied up my hair to the side because, like I said, it's very hot. Checkered shirt, basic plain tee, shorts, this bag that I showed you guys, and yeah, that's it. That's my outfit. So let's head out right now. 4 days after I've made my cheesecake, we're left with this, so I'm gonna eat it even though I'm sick, because if I don't eat it, I'll never get the chance to eat it anymore. But yeah, I just want to update you guys that everyone loves my cheesecake and I'm very happy about it. Like, people keep asking me to make it again. Thank you so much for your support. I am about to make a smoothie. Got almond milk, banana, green strawberries, and acai powder. And then I'm just going to do some non-cardio workout at home, because if you can't tell from my voice, I'm still sick, but I haven't worked out in over a week. It's good to just keep myself a little bit active instead of just doing completely nothing. So I'm hungry, so I think I should eat first.
Hey guys, Cassie here, and welcome.
4, 5. Don't quit just because you're at 5. Keep it going. Good.
Good morning everybody. I just finished running 5 kilometers and feeling very sick, so I'm going to shower right now and quickly have breakfast. So Hi everybody, today is the 12th of January 2019 and I'm starting my January vlog today. So yeah, I filmed some videos and I'm about to pack my bags because yeah, I'm heading out to meet my boyfriend. Same shit every weekend, but we will not be able to spend as much time with each other for the next 2 weeks. So yeah, I just want to make the most of this weekend to just spend time with him. But yeah, we will not be able to spend as much time with each other for the next 2 weeks because my relatives are coming over from the Philippines and from England, so I need to be a host and, you know, accompany them, of course. So that's the reason why we will not be able to spend as much time as we usually would. But yeah, also today is the 12th of January, which means that we are left with 1 week until the BTS concert here in Singapore, so I'm super excited. They actually released the details for the standing pen yesterday, and I'm fine with the details, the plans, I guess, but the only thing I'm worried about is self-regulating the queue among all the fans, because like, I don't know, it just doesn't make sense to me that we have to self-regulate the queue. But I am trying to be positive, so I will be filming next Saturday, which is the 19th of January, on its own, because I don't want to mix it with the rest of my January. So I will talk more about the concert in that vlog, so I don't want to talk too much in this vlog and bore you guys out if you're not like BTS or K-pop fans. By the way guys, I made this last night. Oh my god, it has been so long since I made a fan bot. The last one I made was for BAP Cello, but I didn't use it at all. But yeah, this is my fan bot for the concert, and they released the details yesterday saying that it cannot be bigger than A4, so I've measured and it's probably like 1 or 2 mm bigger than A4, but I think it's passable. So here it basically says 태형 보라 해 방탄. It was surprisingly easy to make because I bought these what do you call them, neon fluorescent paper, and they came like with self-adhesive, so all I did was print out the words and then I just cut it and stick it on it. So super easy. And then the back, it says 세상에서 1등 잘생긴, which means the words #1 handsome guy, and I just put this photo for fun. Okay, now I don't know why I'm showing this to you guys when I just said that I would talk more about a concert in my other vlog. I think I just want to show you guys what I did, because I just made this last night and I'm like very proud of it. Alright guys, I mentioned this in my what I got for birthday and Christmas present. My boyfriend got me this. Today was the very first time I used it, and this is the Real Techniques Beauty Blender, and oh my god, it's so soft. I have the beauty blender here, and this is definitely softer, and it's so like, it expands like almost twice the size. I don't know, it's so big and I love it, and it's so much more affordable. It's like half the price of the beauty blender, so it's a random review. Oh my god, look, Namjoon just came into the chat preparing for Nagoya. Yo, international armies. I thought I'd show you guys something else that I made last night, and it is this. Here it is. Okay, so I need to get rid of all the ice.
Can wait now. 是我不为自己洒脱，让我们难过。可当初的你和现在的我，假如重来过，倘若那天把该说的话好好说。如果早点了解，그녀에게 웃어줘. 난 아직도 믿기지가 않아. 이 모든 게 다 꿈인 것 같아. 사라지려 하지만 Is it true? Is it true? You 너무 아름다워 두려워. Untrue, untrue. You 너 마치 butterfly, butterfly, butterfly. 머릿속 혼자
before, but I love you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you.
다 가져가. 내 빛은 눈물. 내 차가운 summertime 내게 연약하면 방만할게 다 들어와 당연히 잘해 한치 없던 볼 수 없는 맛적 캐리라
To make the kings and vagabonds.
And now I'll stay up through the night. Yeah, let's be clear and close my eyes. But trouble it might be to shove. I'm like a rubber band until you pull too hard. But I may snap and I move close. You won't see me fall apart.
You drink beer? You're alcoholic?
No.
Yes, you are. Oh my god.
Your hair cheap.
I get ham and 快手干当街白人。哇哈哇哈哇哈！
Oh, your fish and chips is nice.
One look like typical Chinese one like
Parabo.
Parabo.
Oh.
Yeah. This is nice. Oh my god, this is nice. Oh.
No, it's not like the.
Where are they?
Fade away.
Hello everybody, today is Sunday and I just finished my gym session. So I am barefaced at the moment because my skin has gone horribly bad for the past like 3 days. So I think it's due to my period. So I'm just gonna let it rest, no makeup, no face. Yeah, so I think I'm actually going to get a mask from Innisfree, like the clay mask, later on. So I'm going to apply that as well, and hopefully it will recover ASAP because CNY is approaching and I don't want bad skin. So yeah, that's the reason why I am barefaced right now. I am going to have my breakfast and lunch, and I think I'm also gonna get like a smoothie or something because I didn't bring my water bottle and I am dehydrated. So let's go. So I am back home and I did a little food shopping just now when I was outside. So it's because I wanna go on a little food detox for my body, and so I bought a lot of veg. So yeah, I've got lettuce for salad, my favorite veg, broccoli, kale, spinach for smoothie, banana for smoothie, and I didn't see that it was so spoiled here. Natural peanut butter for the smoothie as well. I have almond milk in the fridge. Shiitake mushroom for my salad, and some meat. I also got almonds and this cooling water with lychee flavor. My sister recommended it to me and I saw it, so I just got it. So right now I am just going to prep the ingredients, aka wash the veg, and make my lunch for tomorrow.
Close your